Wow. See? Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So now we have come in the park of this city and with this family again, and we are going to have some fun. We will sit and then I'll show you how crowded this park is. It's very crowded. This park is very crowded and it's evening time, so video will be little dark. Jamie, she's also playing. She's running here and there. And here is Renuji. We have just come here for relaxation, and there Arunji is coming.
bench पे आ अरे हाले इदा फड़ी आ देख आ रहे देख ला बिल्कुल चीज ना छेड़ना ठीक है जम्मू खड़ा किद्दा आ रही दिखा मैनू जम्मू ले इधर आ जा जम्मू इधर आ फट गया ले लो बैट टूट गया एक गिलियो खत्म करके बैट टूट गया किक बैट थप्पड़ हालेंगे
Guju.
Sorry guys, handle broke, so no more cricket now.
Hi guys, now we are in park for some leisure time as today is Sunday, and we are playing with children, but unfortunately our bat has been broken. So now you see that there's lot of pupils.
Yes,
in
you
this
can see
park.
around.
You see that we as a family we are coming here as our there's lot of people in this park, so we just leisure our time as today is Sunday, a very leisure day. We are enjoying whole day. Please like our video as much as possible.
And then you see with a baby.
Our cutie, she just wondering where she comes now. She's looking around.
And everyone is enjoying over here, guys. Small vlog about this enjoyment in this park. And there is Jamie. She's sitting quietly. Shh. She's shy. Arohi. Hey. Take this one. Oh. Actually, she's trying to, crawl, but she wasn't able to. Then she started crying. How she's playing. She wants to walk. She wants to start crawling. Arohi. Arohi. So guys, I'm making my favorite ginger tea. Here you can see I have added 1 cup of water, and now I'm going to add ginger in that. You can see ginger, bay leaf. Oh, I have become a food vlogger now. Then I'm going to add tea leaves. I'm going to add more because I want strong ginger tea. And now I'm going to add sugar. And I have not added milk in this as of now. I'm going to stir this, and then after some time I'll add milk in this. First I want this to boil very nicely, so it will give flavor of everything. Wow. It's and now I'm going to add milk in this. Adding milk. Yes. Added milk. And now I have to wait for this to get boiled again. Look at my ginger tea. Oh my god, it looks so great. So guys, finally my ginger tea is ready, and I'm going to strain now. My ginger tea is here. If you want, you can sip it. Guys, here is my ginger tea. If you want, you can sip it. Cheers. Neha, I'm sorry. If you want, you can sip it from here. So guys, we are done with our tasty tea and it was so amazing and it feels really good. I hope you liked it. So guys, as you can see, Ronak is fulfilling his dream. He's sleeping inside my tent and he was requesting from since morning like, Didi, can I sleep in your tent? And finally he's living his dream. He has pitched my tent inside his house and he's sleeping and it really feels so great. And it's 1 a.m. and see, Arohi is still awake. She's not sleeping. Arohi is still awake. She's not sleeping. She likes me so much. The baby was crying, so we are giving her this. This is their irrigation system of Punjab. See? So cute. Wow.